Hello students, my today's video is not for class 9th or 10th, but from today onwards I am bringing a series of some videos to introduce you about the different poets and writers, Indian as well as foreign. Normally it happens in the class that the teachers are not able to give you a brief of the writers or the poets. We just give you introduction in couple of sentences and ask you to find out about the writers and poets on your own. So to bridge this gap, I am bringing these videos. And my very first video is on my personal favorite poet, Robert Frost. Robert Frost was an American poet born on 26th March 1874 in San Francisco, California. Robert Frost died in January 1963. Robert Frost attended the Harvard University from 1897 to 1899. Later, he, along with his wife, migrated to America. And it was found that his work was initially published in England rather than in America. Robert Frost is known for his realistic depiction of rural life and his command of American colloquial speech. No other poet has written so well about the actions of ordinary men. He was skilled at preparing a wide range of human experiences in his poem. If I talk about the awards, then Robert Frost is the only American poet to be honored the Pulitzer Award for 4 times. Not only this, but he was nominated 31 times for the Nobel Prize of Literature. Some of the notable works of Robert Frost are A Boy's Will, Birches, The Road Not Taken, which is in class 9th book, Fire and Ice and Dust of Snow, which is in class 10th book. But my personal favorite is Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening. The poem represents the poem expresses that one must concentrate on fulfilling his duty and accomplish whatever he is working on, rather than getting attracted to the worldly pleasures. Robert Frost is one of the American poets who is highly loved and admired here in India. A very good example which I can give is that when Jawaharlal Nehru died in 1964, it was found that he had written Robert Frost's poem, 4 lines of Robert Frost's poem, and the 4 lines were found on stuck under the glass top of his table. And those 4 lines are from the same poem, which is my personal favorite, Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening. So students, before I end this video, I want to repeat those 4 lines for you all. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Students, see you soon with another poet in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye-bye.